This wonderful Sooner Traditions home is on target and scheduled for completion in late April 2009. Every inch of its 1532 square feet is well utilized.
Once you step through the magnificent leaded glass front door, you are transported into a world of luxury. The living room features a corner fireplace with tiled surround. The kitchen in this awesome home boasts granite countertops, tiled backsplashes, and maple cabinetry along with Whirlpool appliances. The master bedroom has an 11-foot stepped-up ceiling. The master bathroom has both a shower and an elegant garden tub. Both the tub and shower have tiled surrounds. The vanity countertops are cultured marble and the master closet seems endlessly huge. This great Sooner Traditions home qualifies for FHA financing. Call Jim and Janet at 405-771-5291 to schedule